This is a bottle of soybean oil, and this is a bucket of soybean protein powder. Welcome to Huatai Group Growing Machinery Manufacturing Factory. Here, I will show you the real manufacturing strength of Huatai Group and fully review the manufacturing process of a complete set of soybean deep processing equipment. Come on, follow us straight into the workshop. This is the soybean pretreatment equipment. From raw material cleaning and crushing to conditioning, flaking, and extrusion, the precision of every process directly determines the oil yield and protein quality. This is the oil press used in the soybean oil extraction workshop. The entire soybean pre-pressing workshop is equipped with a PLC intelligent control system to ensure stable operation of the whole production line. In the next episode, we will take you to explore the equipment manufacturing of the soybean oil extraction workshop. Huatai Group, your premium choice for growing and oil machinery.